dolls. Yes, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to hit subscribe, comment, and like. Now, as you see, I am getting ready to clean. This is the master bedroom here. I'm getting ready to clean the bedroom, and then I'm just gonna clean the living room downstairs. But if you guys like this kind of content, of course, just definitely comment below, hit me up and tell me that you like this, so I can do more videos like this, because I actually really enjoy putting together videos like this. Just, you know, but if you guys like it, of course, just let me know. I'll do more videos like this, of course. Now, I'm not going to talk through the video. I'm going to let you guys listen to the music in the background. But I just wanted to let you guys know, I did get some new subscribers. So guys, thank you so much for joining the family. Just wanted to give you thanks for that as well. And also too, I really like if there are any new viewers, to definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because what's going to happen when you guys do that, it's going to create more opportunities for me to film videos like this, especially if you like watching this. So definitely, again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and comment. And I thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you for my new subscribers. Love you guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
Defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna stay wide open. Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them